what happened in January with our Calgary real estate? Well, folks, interest rates, as we all know, went way up in the past 8 months or so, and January broke the 7-month slide in prices downwards. We had a slight increase. So prices, a detached home in Calgary, benchmark price, actually all condos and detached homes, $520,000, well below May levels, which was $556,000. So big change. So we had so our prices in January over January from 2022, prices up 5%. But again, down from May of 2022, where benchmark price again was about $556,000, and now today it's $520,000. So interest rates, we seem to inventory is way down under the $500,000 price point, and that's where a lot of our sales are, under $500,000. So the move up market is really being impacted by these higher interest rates. However, we're still firmly in a seller's market in Calgary. Inventory is low, and we're expecting a busy spring market, which kind of starts up in February. Enjoying the sunshine today. Hope you are too. And if you have questions on Calgary real estate specific to whatever it is you're doing, buying, selling, move up, move down, condos to $36 billion properties, reach out. Have a great day.